This is Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Ford Ranger, stock reference number 5842. This shape ran from the 12th of 2006 to 09-2011. It is a WEAT 4-cylinder 3-litre turbo diesel engine backed by a manual 4-wheel drive transmission. Here we have our WEAT 4-cylinder 3-litre turbo diesel engine. Right-hand headlight. Sorry, left-hand headlight. Left front guard, 1 dent. Bonnet, sun peeling, stone chips, good private. Left-hand mirror. Left front wheel, factory alloy mag, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Left front door, 2 dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand taillight. Tailgate, stone chips, rust at the top, 1 dent, good private. Right hand taillight. Right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Right rear door, surface rust, scratches, good private. Right front door, fold at the bottom right corner, good private. Right hand mirror. Right front guard, stone chips, surface rust, screw. Right front wheel, factory alloy mag, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Right hand headlight. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Center console. Gear stick. Heat AC controls. Touchscreen media player. Interior mirror. Left hand sun visor.